Hi learners, welcome to U.S. History Reconstruction to Present. We are on week 28. This week we are completing units 9.5, 9.6, 9.9, 9.10, 9.11, and 9.12. And our learning target is I can successfully gain an understanding of the events of the Watergate scandal and its impact on the American presidency. Okay, so I'm going to take a minute. Tell me, what do you know about the Watergate scandal and President Richard Nixon? If you don't know anything about Nixon or are unable to recall anything, that's perfectly fine. We're going to be diving into those topics in this lesson. Okay, so just think a minute. Have you ever heard of the Watergate scandal, Richard Nixon, any of those topics ring a bell? Okay, so you're going to read Unit 9, Section 5, Watergate from Odyssey-ware. You're also going to read Watergate Background from PBS and the Watergate Scandal from History.com. I also found quite a few video clips, so if you're into this topic, which is pretty interesting, hopefully you'll check a few of these out. There's a video clip entitled The Watergate Scandal Timeline and Background. There's also Watergate Inside the Scandal That Took Down a Presidency. You can also watch the beginning of the Watergate Scandal and President Nixon Investigation and Resignation from Study.com. The beginning of the Watergate Scandal Summary and Facts and Timeline also from Study.com. And then there is a Quizlet on Watergate. Okay, so after what you learned in the lesson pertaining to Watergate, please tell me what the political cartoon to the right represents. Okay, so hopefully you'll have a better idea of what this might represent after you watch some of the videos, complete the readings, and get a better grasp on Watergate and Nixon. Okay, and then there's a Quizlet on Watergate as well, small quiz. Then after learning about the 1970s and Richard Nixon, please complete the quiz entitled The Nixon Years found in Odyssey-ware. You'll be evaluated based on correctly completing the quiz. Okay, so if you need to take a little bit of a back and find out some more about Nixon, and then really focus on the Watergate and stuff, that's going to give you a good solid place to start to take the quiz. Okay, and then just tell me how any of your ideas changed. Maybe you had different views on Nixon. Maybe you didn't know anything about Nixon. Maybe you knew nothing about Watergate. Tell me, how have your ideas changed, your views changed. Just tell me what happened. Okay, so any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. If not, you have a wonderful, productive week. Thanks.